Alright, quick review of dividing rational numbers, or fractions in this case, is when we divide fractions we multiply by the reciprocal, or the flip of the second fraction. So here we have 10 over 4 divided by 5 over 2. It's the same thing as saying 10 over 4 times the reciprocal of 5 over 2 is 2 over 5. Now this problem looks exactly like the last several we did when we multiplied fractions. So only at this step, when it's in the multiplication form, can you start cross-canceling. So if I look at 10 and 5, we want to think of a number that goes into both 5 and 10 evenly, and that number is 5. So 5 goes into itself once and into 10 twice. And now we can look the other way, numerator and denominator of 2 and 4. 2 goes into 2 once, and 2 goes into 4 twice. So we are left with 2 times 1 is 2, and here 2 times 1 is 2, and anything divided by itself is a whole number. So this is a whole 1. And really when we think about this here, 10 fourths divided by 5 over 2, an equivalent fraction here of 5 halves is 10 fourths. I can just multiply my top by numerator by 2, multiply my denominator by 2. Anything divided by itself is 1. Right? Let's look at our next one. 3/40 divided by 15/8. So we can rewrite it by multiplying by a reciprocal. So we're going to flip 15/8 to 8/15, and then we can cross cancel. So I encourage you guys to pause the video and try this on your own, and then replay it and see how it all, see if our answers match. So here we have 3 and 15. So 3 goes into itself once, and 15 5 times. And a factor that goes into both 8 and 40 could be 2. 2 goes into 8 and 40. 4 goes into 8 and 40. We always want to choose the largest. Right? So 8 goes into itself once, and 8 goes into 45 times. So straight across now, 1 times 1 is 1, and 5 times 5 is 25. So again, cross-canceling really helps, because if we didn't cross-cancel, we would have 24 times 40 times 15. So 40 times 10 is 400, plus 40 times 5 is 200, over that would be 600. Right? 24 over 600. Then we'd have to reduce this to 1/25. So the common factor would be 24. Way too much work. Okay, so you want to cross cancel when you can.